Let's go now for the submain pipe. What is the submain pipe? The submain pipe is the pipe in which we're going to connect all the laterals. In that case, we can choose also the range. For example, let's say polyethylene 4 atmosphere, and we can choose the model, let's say this one, and the spacing on the between laterals. In that case, we can put, for example, 5 meters between them. Now we can do exactly the same with the slope. If we have different slopes, or if it is uniform or not, or whatever, we can set 2 meters slope. In that case, we want to leave uniform. And we have here pre-selected, as you can see, the end pressure on the submain pipe. What is the end pressure? It should be the inlet pressure on the lateral, always, okay? So we can indicate here, for example, the length. We want to say we have 50 meters, and we can calculate. Okay, now we have all the details, the inlet pressure, the variation of flow rate on the meters, etc. Okay, uniformity, and even we can go to the results. Here we go. And we can have all these graphics. We can choose all the things like before, and we have all the details here. Even we have the total flow rate of the submain pipe, that is 4.6 cubic meter per hour. Okay, now every time we did choose the submain pipe, we can go to the main pipe. In the main pipe, we need to name every section. Let's say, for example, this is section number 1. We need to choose the range. In that case, we're going to go for PVC, for example, and we will go for, I don't know, 90, and the length can be 80 meters, and the flow rate should be considering the submain pipe. If you have only one submain pipe connected to this main pipe, or if you have 2 or whatever. Let's say we have only one. It was 4.6 more or less. Okay. Here we go. This is our section number 1. Let's go for number 2. We can say here once again PVC 125, 100 meters, and the flow rate it will be maybe twice the previous one. Let's say, I don't know, it's 9.2. Here we go. Okay, and we can even make a third section until our head irrigation, our irrigation head. So let's say this one is 6 atmosphere, 140, and length is 20 only. Flow rate will be, I don't know, something like 15 cubic meter per hour. All right. So now we have 3 sections here, and we can have the details of every one of them: flow rate, head loss, and length. And we can even combine, for example, section number 1 plus number 2 will have a total head loss of 0.12 columns of water, meter of column of water. And we can even mix or combine all of them in order to know the total head loss in our system. Okay, so that's all. If you need any further information, please contact our AZIS expert team. Thank you for watching.